Hello everyone, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of Python, which is isalnum. Okay, so before we start with this discussion of scenarios, let me tell you the exact meaning of isalnum. This method, you can say it is a combination of isDigit and isAlpha. So it will check whether the string or the variable that you are passing with this method is alphanumeric or not. Okay, alphanumeric means it should only contain either characters or numeric values, not the special character. Okay, so this is the purpose where we use isalnum method. Okay, so there are few scenarios I have noted here, so we will discuss one by one each scenario and we'll see the output as well. So in first scenario, you can see that we are storing the string as Sharmit in a variable text, and then we are printing it as it is. So before method use text, then on line number 11 what we are doing, we are concatenating it with the output of isalnum. So whatever the output isalnum will return, it will be a bool or a boolean value, so it will be converted to a string, and then we are concatenating it with isalphanumeric. Okay, so what it will do, it will print the output. So let's check the output. Control Shift and tilde I am pressing here with keyboard to open this terminal, and once the terminal is opened, I will write here Python space and my program name is session20.py, and then I will hit enter. So what it will return, it will multiple outputs. So let's see one by one. So first output, it is returning as true. Why? Because this is character and that is fine. It is alphanumeric, right? Because it contains character, and alphanumeric allow characters as well as digit. Fine. So let's see the second scenario. In second scenario, you can see that I am storing value as Sharmit123. So what it will do, it will check with text.isalnum. If it is alphanumeric, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And then we are concatenating it with our string as alphabetic, and the solution would be there. So this is correct, means it should return true because both the things are allowed with as alphanum. So if you check here, you can see it is returning true. Why? Because alphanum returns true when it contains only characters and digits. Now in third scenario, you can see that I am using dot. So I have write tech.sharmit. So what would be the output? It would return false. Why? Because dot is not an alphanumeric thing. Okay, so that's why it is returning false. And if I talk about the fourth scenario, here I'm using symbol @, which is also not an alphanumeric. It is not neither it is a character nor it is a number, so that's why it is returning false. Okay, so in short, you can say that this method is a combination of isDigit and alphabetic, because even the name is also indicating that isalnum, alpha and numeric. So this thing you can utilize where you want to accept only two things, either the characters or the numbers. Then in that case you can utilize this method. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.